If you're watching this, there's a new video that's posted that might help. I hope it helps. I gotta go. Hey everybody. It's a little dark in here. Sorry about that. Too much glare on the whiteboard, so I shut some lights off. There were some questions about finding volume of the rectangular prisms, and I wanted to touch base with that and with the triangular prism so that you could try to be as successful as possible on what it is that we're working on today. So, in the book, they talked about the area of the base, and they used this capital B. Normally, what we're looking for when we were finding area of a shape was base times height, right? And notice that they used a little b on that one. Okay. They changed it to a big B because what that big B means, it's called the area of the base. And so what they're using there is the areas that we used to find area. Okay. So we have base times height for a rectangle. And then we have 1/2 times base times height for a triangle, right? Okay, so the area, the big B, stands for base times height. Or the big B could stand for 1/2 times base times height. So it's kind of interchangeable. So they're looking for the shape that's the most important of the piece that we're working with. So if I look at this first one right here, okay, this rectangular prism, and you've already done that, and Mo did a really good job of finding the volume for those. Okay, so we want to find the area of the base. Well, what's the biggest shape that we've got here? We've got that square. So let's find the area of the base. So that would be 4 times 4, okay? And then we're going to use what's left over, the height, this 6, okay? So we do 4 times 4, which is 16 times 6. 16 times 6. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 3 is 9. And so if they were inches, this would be 96 inches cubed. Okay? Okay. Let's jump to a triangular prism. Okay, we want to find the area of the base. Well, what's the shape, the biggest shape that we're looking for? A triangle. What's the area of this triangle? Well, gosh, they sure didn't label it very easy, but I know if this part is 3, that this part is 3 feet, and this is 5, and this is 5. I can find the area of that triangle because it's base times height. Here's my chair, right? Base times height, 3 times 5. 3 times 5 is 15. I need to take half of that, and half of 15 times 1/2 equals 7.5. Okay, so I found the area of the base, this shape right here. 7.5 times what's left over, 6. 7.5 times 6. 6 times 7 is 42. 42 plus 3 is 45. 1 decimal over. Bring it back. So my answer is 45 feet cubed. Okay. Look for the major shape that they're looking for, and then take how thick the shape is. Give it a try. And again, if you're struggling, reach out, send an email, or post that you're having some confusion, and see if you could find a classmate that would be willing to hang out with a Google Hangout and kind of go over stuff with you. That'd be really cool too. Hope this helps. Talk to you soon.